voyage launched 2,000 years ago. This voyage is in the wake of extraordinary mariners, the world's greatest explorers and greatest navigators of the time, of the whole earth. We are children in that wake, and we respect that.
While understanding the necessity to engage and educate the teachings that were passed on to them, Hōkūleʻa crew and their Va'a community has decided to undertake Mālama Honua, a voyage around the world, to share Hawaiian perspective and knowledge in caring for our environment.
Initially, we said, let's get prepared, get our crews prepared, get the canoes prepared, and let's go around our home before we go around island Earth. It's 47,000 miles. It's going to go to 28 countries. We'll see 62 ports. And it gets back down to this issue of kuleana, that if we don't make the connections to Hawaii, then we haven't earned the right to go to the rest of the places on the earth.
Hōkūleʻa and Hikianalia will visit ports around the state for Mālama Hawaiʻi, the first leg of their voyage around the world.
So the Worldwide Voyage does start. It doesn't start by going to Tahiti. It starts here. It starts in a voyage that's very technically short. It's 1,000 miles. It's a voyage that's going to go to 23 ports and connect with 30 communities. It's a voyage that intends to bring 10,000 school kids to come put their mana on Hōkūleʻa.
The most important thing is just letting these, like the keiki, come down and see the canoe and to be proud of themselves as Hawaiians, and also of all the Hawaiians that came before us, that they were smart enough to build something like Hōkūleʻa or even Hikianalia and find their way across the Pacific to Hawaii.
Makes you so proud to just experience the intelligence of our kupuna, our ancestors, our voyagers. For us to grow up with that came with kuleana, you know, that we had to make sure that it wasn't just us who benefited, but to make sure that the next generation experiences and benefits from that as well. So I believe that's what this is a part of. That's why I'm honored to be here and just to look around at all these wonderful leaders, visionaries, and as they help lead the next generation.
It's a course change that is vital to fulfillment of mission. Yeah, 1,000 miles, it's short. It's first of 19 legs in the voyage, but the first one, in my opinion, is the most important one.